When homeowners in Rayne think about boosting their property's appearance and long-term value, doors often get overlooked. Yet, the right door installation can completely transform how a home looks from the outside while also influencing how much it's worth on the market. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more welcoming home, investing in professional door installation offers benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Elevating curb appeal with the right door. First impressions matter, and your front door is one of the very first features people notice. A fresh, well-chosen door instantly upgrades the look of your home's exterior, making it appear more modern, inviting, and well cared for. In a place like Rayne, where neighborhood character and charm are highly valued, curb appeal can make your home stand out for all the right reasons. A bold color choice, elegant glass accents, or a sleek modern design can reflect your style while enhancing the architecture of your house. Even small details, such as decorative hardware, side lights, or transoms, add personality and create a focal point that draws the eye. For buyers or visitors, a beautiful door signals that the rest of the home is likely just as well maintained. Increasing energy efficiency and comfort beyond appearances, new door installation can improve your home's efficiency. Older doors often warp, crack, or lose their seal over time, leading to drafts and higher utility bills. Modern doors are built with better insulation and weather stripping, keeping your home cooler in Rayne's hot summers and warmer in the winter months. Energy-efficient doors not only reduce your monthly expenses but also appeal to eco-conscious buyers. With rising energy costs, showcasing a home that already includes upgraded, insulated doors can be a strong selling point that adds real market value. Boosting security and peace of mind. Homebuyers today look for more than just beauty, they want safety and durability too. Installing a high-quality door with reinforced locks, solid cores, and impact-resistant glass can make your home more secure. For families in Rayne, where peace of mind is priceless, this upgrade offers both practical and emotional value. A door that blends strength with style not only reassures potential buyers but also makes your own daily life more comfortable. Knowing your entryway is built to withstand weather and unwanted intrusions is an investment in long-term protection. Adding real value to your property. Many homeowners in Rayne wonder whether upgrading doors will actually pay off when it's time to sell. The answer is yes. According to national real estate studies, new entry doors consistently rank among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. That's because buyers see doors as part of the bigger picture. They connect an appealing entryway with overall quality. A stylish, energy-efficient, and secure door tells them that the home has been well cared for, reducing the likelihood of hidden problems. This perception can translate directly into higher offers and faster sales. Tailoring your door to Rayne's market. Every community has its unique character, and Rayne is no exception. When choosing a door, it's wise to consider local styles and what buyers in the area value most. For example, a traditional wooden door may complement a classic Southern-style home, while sleek fiberglass or steel designs may suit modern builds. By working with local experts who understand the market and climate, you can choose a door that not only elevates your own enjoyment of the property but also positions your home competitively should you decide to sell. Final thoughts. Door installation in Rayne is more than just a cosmetic project. It's a smart investment that enhances curb appeal, strengthens security, improves energy efficiency, and ultimately raises your home's value. Whether you're aiming to create a lasting impression on guests or increase your property's market potential, the right door can serve as both a practical upgrade and a striking design statement. If you're considering ways to refresh your home and add long-term value, don't underestimate the power of a new door. It might just be the upgrade that transforms everything.